Welcome to Make It Monday, where we embrace imperfection and try new things. My name is Leslie, and I'm the Reading Machine Coordinator for Monterey County Free Libraries. Today we're going to be making a Halloween craft, some cute little spiders, and in order to do that, you will need these supplies. Some black paper. I'm using a piece of scratch paper for the spider. You will need something as a base, a piece of paper as a base. So this is, I'm gonna do orange for obvious reasons. You will probably need a thicker piece of paper. This is cardstock, to make a little spring type thing that we will use to glue the spider to the base. And you will need something to make eyes with. I've got some googly eyes here, but you can make your own. You'll need a pencil, some glue, scissors, and a straight edge. And for my straight edge, I'm using a Post-it pad because that's what I can find right now. So grab those materials and meet me back here and we'll get started. The first thing that we are going to do to make spider is to draw the body. And you can freehand draw a circle, or you can use something as a guide if you like. I might do that because I'm going to use this to do a circle. And then I am also going to draw the legs. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to make I'm basically just going to trace this Post-it pad and then separate it into 8 legs. I think that's the best thing to do. So I've got 2 shapes here. I've got a circle and a square, and then we're gonna use these to cut them down into an actual spider body like this. The next thing I'm going to do is glue the legs to the spider body. So pick four legs for each side, and then I'm gonna glue them all here like so. There we go. We're gonna let that dry for a little bit. While that's drying, I am going to cut out a piece of this cardstock into a string. Once it's cut out, you can fold it back and forth. So you fold one way, and then you turn it over and fold the other way. And you just do that until everything has been folded and it's a nice little rectangle. See here, I got my little rectangle here. And I think that's actually a good place to I don't think I need to fold this whole thing. So I think I'm probably gonna fold just maybe one more time and then be done and cut the rest of this off like so. The rest of it off, and now I have my little accordion. I'm gonna glue it onto this orange paper. I'm gonna glue one end of the accordion onto the orange paper like this. And that's gonna need some time to dry as well. So I'll let it hang out for a little bit and dry, and then I'm gonna work on my spider in the meantime. I'm gonna add the final touch, which is, guess what it is? The eyeballs. I'm gonna turn my spider over and glue some eyes, googly eyes to the front. Now normally spiders have a lot more than 2 eyes. So you can do more than 2 eyes if you like. I'm just doing 2 because I'm keeping it simple. But feel free to do more eyes to make your spider a little more realistic. You can add other things to your spider, like if you wanted to make this into a black widow, you could put the red hourglass shape on it, or you could put some markings or whatever you wanted to do. Again, I'm leaving mine pretty simple. So I've got my spider here. He's all done. Now I just need to glue him to the accordion, and I'm going to do that right now. So I put some more glue on this top part of the accordion, and then I'm just gonna glue my spider down onto it. I'm gonna stick my spider onto it. And there he is. So with this thing, he's supposed to be a little, it's supposed to make him wiggle a little bit. All right, my friends, this is our little spider. See how he's a little wiggly? And that's because of the accordion. It gives him a little space to like move and kind of jump out at you a little bit. And so it's a little more complicated than just making a normal spider. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this craft. This will be our last Halloween Make It Monday before the actual holiday. So I hope you have a fantastic and safe holiday. And of course, if you do any of our Halloween crafts, I hope to see them. I hope you will tag us. Thank you for tuning in, and I will see you for next Make It Monday. Bye.